And recording.
He's not very happy about this. Oh, he's tail wrapped himself.
Oh.
Oh, here he goes. Gonna get free. He's freaked out. Tail wrapped himself again. Big male with a hook nose. Oh, he's all wrapped up around the gills and gum area. Here, let's see if I can get unwrapped. Uh-oh, now I'm all wrapped up in my hook.
Oh man, look at that thing. He's right. It's right there in my backpack.
Oh, here we go.
Look at him, just wrapped. Give it the old one too.
Well, let's see what we got here. Now that we're ready, he's gonna get away. Wow.
Wow, that went relatively easy. Look at that. Look at him doing the and fin twitch.
Trying to figure out if I went through the jet dog. Trying to figure out if I went through the. Oh,
Nice.
it's in the swivel. Wow. Oh, can you say squarely in the corner of the mouth, in and about the mouth area?
Nice job, Thompson.
Oh, thank you.